Well, the Nollywood Welfare Forum is holding a candle night today in memory of the one of the pioneers of Nollywood in Nigeria, talking about Solomon Eze. He started more than 6 years before the advent of Nollywood in 1992, when Living in Bondage was shot. He was doing Igbo drama called Uranyam on ABS, and in the southeast he was very popular as Michael Orihedema. So he died, and he's going to be buried on the 28th of this month, being Tuesday, and on 27th the wakekeep is going to be held for him. So we in Nollywood Welfare Forum felt it was something worthwhile to honor him and give honor to whom honor is due. So we're holding a candle night, and we're here now to hold a kind of rally, just go into town and create the awareness that he is dead. Let those who didn't know that he's dead know, and let them know that Nollywood came out to celebrate this great man who has gone. Well, Nollywood Forum is an inspiration that came to some of us, that it's good for us to actually push Nollywood forward. One of the things that has been our pain is that you just hear people, Nollywood stars, Nollywood practitioners, they have one problem, they run to people cap in hand to beg. They have one illness or the other, they are begging for help. You know, a lot of things. We came to the conclusion that welfare was the common problem of practitioners in Nollywood. Whether you are a director, whether you are an actor, whether you are a cinematographer, or whatever you are in Nollywood, the entire 9 guilds encompassed in Nollywood. Welfare was very important. Some of the guilds have welfare written in their documents or their constitutions, but sometimes effective implementation of those things were difficult. So we decided that we need a forum that will use welfare as its primary concern, not interested in the politics of whatever guild, but in the betterment of the artists, whether they are actors, directors, or whatever they are. And that's how this dream came. We decided that we had to do something as a body so that we can use what we have, which is the acting and the gift God has given us, to take care of ourselves to the point where we will affect our society. That's in a nutshell what Nollywood Film is all about. And we have started by making sure that we reach out to those who need assistance, we reach out to those who are in need, we make sure that our members are given adequate burial. For now, we have even spread it to almost every practitioner in Nollywood. We have gone or attended more than 12 burials where we try to show our own concern. We have helped one person who had a police case out of the police problem. It was a wrong accusation. He was falsely accused, and we came to his aid. A lot of other things that I cannot mention here, but primarily Nollywood Welfare Forum is about using talent and going into business to effectively take care of people in Nollywood. Right now we're partnering with a media house, Mina Systems Radio and Television, for the packaging of comedies and TV soaps that we're going to market and they're going to air. So we are trying to see how can we get busy, produce things that will keep us active and make us able to help ourselves in need. For instance, one of the catch we have is, how would you feel if after 65 or at 65 you get a lot on your phone just for being a Nollywood practitioner that was a member of the Nollywood Welfare Forum? We keep paying you honorarium because you help to make Nollywood what it is. That's our dream in a nutshell. I just want to let them know that death is a necessary end, they say, that must come when it must come. Nobody can fight God, nobody can argue with God. If you try it, you'll be taking the wrong line. So we all are saying thank God that he lived an eventful life, he lived a successful life. He was able to get to the apogee of his career. He was a mentor, he was a creator, he was an artist who could do. He was a sculptor, he was a musician. Michael Orihedema, Solomon Eze was everything that artistic interpretation could be. So I want to tell the family, you have lost your father, but the only thing you can do is to make sure that the legacies of your father remain. Make sure that you fly the flag of your father. Be a true son of your father. And do not mourn like those who don't have hope. Mourn as people who lost a great man, Michael Orihedema. Solomon Eze. He is dead, but his spirit will surely live on, and the footprints he left on the sand of time cannot be erased or effaced. Ben, Emeh.
Thank you, sir.